Good morning and welcome to Mam Talks. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going solo because I saw this idea and I wanted to share it with you. Jan's on vacation, Kathy's on an audition, and here I am. Anyway, I saw this great idea this last 2 weeks ago now at my son's wedding. It was beautiful and I thought I would share it with you. And the idea is that instead of having big pieces of cake, have little mini bites of cake. And it's great for those of us that don't want to eat a lot of sugar or that it's just too much to eat a big piece of cake. This was gorgeous. Most weddings have big cakes with a top layer that the bride and groom decide to freeze, and then in their first year anniversary they take it out of the freezer and they enjoy it. Well, my son and his new wife did not want to do that, so they had two little cakes. One was chocolate, which is what he likes, and one was banana, which is what she liked. And they did the cake cutting ceremony, and it was just lovely. But then when it came time for the wedding guests to enjoy dessert, it was a smorgasbord of cake bites and the little pieces of cake that they had, as well as chocolate mousse in little cups and cheesecake. And what a great idea for all of us to taste different desserts, not be too overly sugared up, and enjoy the festivities. So I came home and I thought, oh my gosh, I got to do this so that whenever I do want to have a cake, it's not, even a cupcake is too much for me. And these little cake bites are just so cute. So I'm not a baker by any means, so I took a box of vanilla extra moist mix, and I divided it up into two Pyrex pans. And I divided it up. It was like half and half, and I made it about an inch thick so that the cakes would not be too big. And then I froze them. After I took them out of the oven, I froze them for a little while so that they could be sharp and clean when I cut it out with a cookie cutter. See, I just made 3 just for you. Once I did that, I just took a tube of icing that you buy at the market and just kind of whirled it around on top, added some of these iridescent sprinkles, and voila. What a gorgeous way to present a tea, a birthday. You could put a candle on this, or 2 or 3, just enough to get a taste of the cake. You want to be thin and eat your cake too. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to click that share and like button and to join us every week, twice a week, with Mam Talks on YouTube. And don't forget our website, www.mamtalks.com. And always, always remember to embrace getting older with us. Thank you. Bye.